In the last decade, car dashboards have undergone a massive transformation. If you look at any car now, chances are you'll find more screens than buttons. But the question is this shift really for the better? Let's dive into it. Every new model seems to have more screen space and fewer buttons. But here's the thing, buttons aren't just functional, they offer something that screens can't. Control. Real, tangible control. When you press a button, you feel like you're in charge. It's immediate, it's responsive, and you don't need to take your eyes off the road. But with screens, every single touch demands attention. You can't just tap a button while looking straight ahead. Now don't get me wrong, touchscreens offer a futuristic feel and they can combine multiple functions in one place, but the safety experts aren't so thrilled about it. In fact, Euro NCPA, which rates car safety, has raised red flags about too much reliance on screens. But why are car makers pushing screens so hard? For one, consumer demand is driving it. Younger buyers are all about having the latest, sleekest tech. And let's not forget, screens are cheaper to produce. Plus, they open up new opportunities for subscription services, creating a whole new revenue stream. And here's the kicker. Even Apple, which once removed all buttons from its devices, is now bringing back buttons in a form of rebuttonization. They've realized that buttons have a psychological and practical value that touchscreens just can't replicate. But here's the thing, it's not all doom and gloom. Some companies are getting it right by offering a blend of buttons and screens. Take Toyota for example, they are giving you the best of both worlds. So where do you stand? Are you a fan of the tactile feel of buttons or do you love the sleek functionality of screens? Let me know in the comments.